How does legal guardianship work for stroke survivors? How does legal guardianship work for stroke survivors? This is an important question, especially for families navigating the challenges that can arise after a stroke. Legal guardianship is a court-appointed arrangement. It allows a designated individual, often a family member or caregiver, to make decisions for a stroke survivor who may struggle with physical or cognitive impairments. These impairments can significantly impact a person's ability to manage their medical care, finances, and daily living needs. The process usually starts with assessing the stroke survivor's capacity to make decisions. Medical and psychological evaluations are conducted to determine if the individual can understand or communicate decisions about their care and affairs. These evaluations are crucial as they provide evidence to the court, justifying the need for guardianship. Once the need for guardianship is established, an interested person must file a petition with the appropriate court, typically probate or family court. This petition includes details about the stroke survivor and the reasons guardianship is necessary. The stroke survivor must be formally notified of the petition through legal summons, ensuring they have the right to be heard in the process. After the petition is filed, the court schedules a hearing where evidence, including medical evaluations, is presented. The court then decides whether to appoint a guardian and defines the scope of the guardian's authority. This authority can include making decisions about health care, finances, living arrangements, and other personal matters. It is important to note that legal guardianship is different from other legal tools like durable power of attorney or advance directives. Durable power of attorney allows a person to appoint someone to act on their behalf before they become incapacitated. In contrast, guardianship is established by the court when the individual can no longer make decisions themselves. Advance directives and living wills are also vital legal documents that express the stroke survivor's wishes about medical treatment in advance. Guardianship ensures that the stroke survivor's rights and preferences are respected while providing necessary support for decision-making. It is crucial to initiate legal planning early, ideally while the stroke survivor still has decision-making capacity. This allows for less restrictive alternatives like durable power of attorney or advance directives. The guardianship process can be complex and time-consuming, often taking months to complete, especially if there are paperwork errors or procedural issues. It usually involves coordination among healthcare providers, legal professionals, family members, and the court system. Therefore, seeking advice from an elder law attorney or a lawyer familiar with disability and guardianship law is highly recommended to navigate this process effectively. In summary, legal guardianship for stroke survivors is a protective legal mechanism activated when a stroke impairs a person's ability to make decisions. It enables a trusted individual to act in their best interest under court supervision. Early legal planning and clear communication about the stroke survivor's wishes are essential components of effective guardianship and overall stroke recovery support.